Hey guys, I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. I hope you all enjoyed your Eid with your family and friends. So, I have not been posting anything recently because I took a small break. And today, here I am back to you all. And the recipe I'm posting today is my version of Moong Dal. It's super delicious, healthy, and it's very easy to make in just 15 minutes. There are several ways dal tadka can be prepared, but this recipe is the simple one and you can make this in just 15 minutes. So, let's make it. Wash 1 cup moong dal thrice in running water and add it to a pressure cooker. Goes in half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon salt. Add 2 glass of water and now I'm going to close the lid and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Now open the lid once pressure released, give a mix and set this aside. Heat 2 tablespoon ghee or oil in a pan or clay pot. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 dry red chilies, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon hing, some fresh curry leaves. Saute for a minute. And to this I'm adding cooked moong dal. And next I'm going to add half glass water. You can also add more water if you would like the dal a little thinner. Taste and then adjust salt as required. Now close the lid and leave it for 2 minutes in a slow flame. Once done, garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or roti. Moong dal is always my favorite. You won't believe how light and flavorful this moong dal recipe is while only taking about 15 minutes to make. So guys, try this and let me know how it turned out for you. And snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.